It depends on the situation.
Yes, it is okay
to buy an ex. Yeah, like I wouldn't say it is absolutely. It's absolutely wrong. In no circumstances can you buy an ex a gift.
I was wrong. I thought he was gonna say no. That it is not appropriate for you to buy. Okay, so I'm gonna tag along to that. That is definitely true. I think it depends on the relationship you have with your ex. Okay, the relationship you have with your ex, and then most importantly, in my opinion, is the relationship your spouse or your partner or whatever has with your ex. So if it is like, oh, we're cool, he or she comes over for like
awkward, but
for like
okay.
World Cup or whatever, you know, then okay. If it's Caribbean people, you like to mix up with other people. So if it's like, oh yeah, that's my best friend's cousin.
See, okay, and that's the other thing that you bringing up that makes an interesting point, because like Jamaica and Uptown,